Now question number 70, which of the following are true? Turkey lies between Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea. Okay, this is actually Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea. That is correct. Okay, then Iran lies between Caspian Sea and Red Sea. This is wrong because Red Sea is not there. Okay, Caspian Sea, and it might be that Persian thing there, Persian Gulf kind of thing. Then Armenia and Laos are landlocked country. This is actually true. I'll show you the map. And Sea of Galilee, the name looks like it is European, but it is actually an Asian sea. Okay, so if you see here, this is Laos, which is a landlocked country. Everything surrounding is full land. Okay, remaining all are coastal. And then Armenia is also, see, everything is landlocked, and these all have water bodies. Okay, then here Sea of Galilee, which is near that Israel area, you can tell, or Jordan, where that Jordan River also is there, and finally everything will go and fall into the Dead Sea. So here there is a Sea of Galilee. Okay, so it is in Asia only. It is not in Europe. Then Black Sea. Black Sea, the borders, you know, this GRRBUT, the trick I already told. And here Turkey is lying between this Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea. Turkey is lying between Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea. And this side we have Aegean Sea. Okay, so if you basically ask like 3 seas which are surrounding Turkey. Okay, 3 seas which is surrounding Turkey is Black Sea, Aegean Sea and Mediterranean Sea. Okay, this question will come. I'm telling it can come in the future. Then here, this is Iran. Okay, this is Iran. So Caspian Sea, and here Persian Gulf. Okay. So Caspian Sea is in the north and Persian Gulf is in the south, and here again Gulf of Oman and Gulf of Aden will come below that. Like that, many things are there. Already we taught you. Okay. Now, okay, question number 71 onwards I'll do in the next video.